Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I would be teaching you how to delete a particular record into database through Java programming language. Fine, let's get started and see in action how it works. First of all, I would launch Eclipse that is already launched. Open Eclipse IDE and create a new project. New, go to project and click on Java project and let's give it as JDBC program 1. Next, click on finish. Now the folder is created with the name JDBC program 1. First, I'm going to link a connector jar file for MySQL. Right click on project, new, right click on project and go to build path, configure build path, and you see libraries and go and click on add external jars. Go to E directive, software, jars, MySQL connector Java. Select, open, apply and close. Now the reference library is added here, MySQL connector Java. Let's start with the class. Right click on src, go to new class, write down here delete user, or let's give it as delete record. Click on finish. Now the class is created here, and let's start to write down JDBC program. Write down main method. Inside main method, start with the first steps to import driver class. Write down class dot for name and give inside double quotes com dot jdbc colon com dot mysql dot jdbc colon driver dot driver. Terminate with the semicolon, and it will give you compile time exception. Better surround with try and catch block. Place a cursor over here and you see surround with try and catch block. Remove this unwanted comment. Delete these two also and write down exception message system.out.println and write down E. Let's start with the second steps. Driver manager dot get connection. Let's give here JDBC colon MySQL colon double slash localhost slash, and let's give it as first see what is the database name. Database name is user. See this user. Write down here user comma and double quotes root comma double quotes and terminate with the semicolon. Okay, remove this class not found. Let's give it as only exception, and to get a return type of this driver manager dot get connection, place a cursor over here and press Ctrl 1. You see this option assign a statement to a new local variable. Click and let's and write the reference variable con. After that, write down con dot prepared a statement. Prepare a statement, and I will write down here SQL query. Terminate with the semicolon. Write here SQL query to delete a particular record. To delete a particular record, the SQL query would be delete from table name. Table name is, what is the table name? Table name is user1. Write down here user1 where, and I want to delete this particular let's say this 102 user ID, and I will remove this record. This record based on user ID, and in this record the user ID 102. I will write here where user ID equals brackets, let's give a question mark. Guys, this column name, user ID, name, email ID is not a case sensitive. Whether you can write uppercase, lowercase, it will work. And place a cursor over here and get return type by pressing Ctrl 1. And you see assign a statement to a new local variable. Click. Let's give it as PS reference variable. And I will write down PS dot set integer. Right here 1, and I want to delete this particular record which has got 102 user ID. I will write 102 and ps dot execute update, execute update, terminate with the semicolon. And now let's see this much whether it is working or not. But what I will do, right, I will write sys system.out.println so that the message will be printed or on the console. Write down record deleted, record deleted, and run as Java application. Now see record deleted. Go to database PHP my admin. Click on, see now the user ID 102 shahnawaz@gmail.com Asansol. Click on user 1. Now see the record is gone. Again what I will do, guys, and I will remove this cursor with the name cursor, this particular record. I will remove this particular record based on name. For that, just remove this, and right here I want to remove this name. Then instead writing user ID, let's write name. Write down here ps dot string set string 1, and here write down name is cursor. When I write here 1, then the cursor will be set instead in place of this question mark. And let's run as Java application. Now see the record deleted. When I click here, now see the record is gone, guys. Let's look and let's have a look at it, guys. Then the record is gone. Okay, again you want to delete this Farhan based on CT. See, I want to delete the based on CT. What I will write here, I will write down the CT. Then write here remove name and write down CT, and give here Patna, PATNA, and 4 times A, 1 2 3 4. Run as Java application. Now see the record deleted. Click on user 1. Now see the record is gone, guys. And this is how you can do, and you can use this prepared statement. And let's see in the videos, and I will tell you how to fetch all the records from database to back to Java program. Thank you.